guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I make this DIY hair conditioner protein treatment for your hair. So the ingredients I'll be using for this mask are 1 avocado, 1 banana and 1 egg. So first of all, I want to welcome you guys. If you are new to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like and comment, and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I post video you'll be notified. So right here I'm trying to mix everything together so that I'll be able to mash them together. I'll be using my whisk to mash them and combine them together to get a soft and smooth texture. So I always use this mask for my kids. I use it for them once or twice in a month. It depends, and it helps their hair. When I mean it helps their hair, it grows their hair so thick and long. Here I am done mixing everything together, and it came out so smooth and soft. So I'll be turning it into a bowl where I will be using it on their hair. So the benefits of this mask are: avocados are a great source of amino acid, vitamin E and B, and which are known for promoting strong and healthy hair. Banana, in the other hand, helps with breakage. If you're having hair breakage, it will help your hair. And egg egg on the other hand are rich in vitamin A and biotin folate, which makes hair thick healthy and more resistant to damage, and the yolk is loaded with healthy fats, which moisturizes the hair and keeps the strands so silky and here I am done applying the mixture. So I'll go ahead to cover the hair with plastic nylon and cover it with a shower cap, and I'm going to leave it to stay on there for like 30 minutes to 40 minutes, and I'll go ahead to wash it off. So now I am done washing the hair with conditioner and shampoo, and I'll go ahead to apply the oil. This oil you are seeing here is chai oil seed. You know that chai seed, so mixed with oil, olive oil, and other ingredient I'm using on their hair. So it's almost finished. The oil is almost finished because I've been using it for them for the past 2 years or thereabouts. So yeah, I'll go ahead to twist the hair in parts, and we are done. So tell me in the comment section, are you going to try this mask? Are you going to be trying it? Okay, so thank you all for watching, and I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye bye.